Well, it is 6:10 here on your Tuesday. So after we had those strong storms barreling through part of yesterday, part of last night, today is a whole lot calmer. There is a tiny chance for a few lingering showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms by the late afternoon, but most of our day is going to feature this, just solid sunshine. 64 right now in Baltimore. Westminster, you're in the upper 60s. Cambridge 64, Easton 64. Stevensville, you are at 68. So some perspective. Some of us are waking up 4 degrees cooler, 6, 7 in Cambridge, only 2 there in Salisbury, Ocean City. You're actually a tad warmer. What we have, though, is this west-northwest wind. We're pulling in that not just cooler air, but drier air. So yesterday had that almost tropical feel, and today does not. It's going to have a much more refreshing air mass in place, and that'll make all the difference. Look at the futurecast here. There's just nothing to see, and that's because we have nothing but sunshine for most of the day. Now, we do have some clouds that scoot through by the late afternoon, and then some spotty showers, maybe even a couple of thunderstorms for the evening, and then maybe the late night hours. Notice, though, I think most of that misses Baltimore. We could stay dry entirely. Looking ahead to Wednesday morning, a few showers, but then it's really Wednesday in the late afternoon and evening when we start to see some scattered storms move through, and these are more widespread. So if you miss out on some of the wet weather today, unfortunately, you have a much better chance that you're going to see that tomorrow. This is the last batch, though, of storms that we have to deal with before a much drier and more pleasant pattern sets up on Thursday. In Harford County, so we're on your corner in Bel Air, 79, Whiteford, 79 today. Churchville, you're going to land at 80, Abingdon, 81. And then in Howard County, notice North Laurel, you're headed for 81, Clarksville, 81, Dayton, 80 on the dot, and then Ellicott City and Elkridge, a little bit warmer with some of those low 80s. So today, there's our high at BWI, 83, and then tonight, mostly clear skies. Our sunset is at 8:24, and those clear skies, the cooler air, going to send temperatures tumbling down into the 50s. So that is really going to have a refreshing start to the day. Anne Arundel County, a similar range for you, some of you in the low 60s. I do want to send it over to Angela Foster for First Alert Traffic. And Angela, certainly sun glare is a factor, making it tricky to see on the roads.